Hey y'all, it's your girl, the owner of Foxxiebox. So what y'all see right here is me making my famous kitty cat blend. And this is the company where I get my bulk herbs from. And I love them because you can actually talk to someone about your order or different types of herbs. So yeah, you guys, I got, about 12 different herbs going on right here. That's right, baby. KLC ain't got shit on me. So, yes, I am a Yoni practitioner. And, for one, I know everybody have their own terms about what Yoni means to them and why they do Yoni steam. So, for me, it's about self-care, self-love, self-awareness. And I love that bringing herbs together to actually help heal and treat is the bomb.com. I'm just gonna say that straight up. A happy kitty, it's a happy kitty. You know what I mean? So with all this stuff going on in the world too, we definitely keep our kitty happy. You heard me? So yes, I'm seeing here just making this batch right here of different herbs that I combine together. And like, this is my number one step of the kitty cat blend. When I tell y'all, this whole area smells like heaven. Do you hear me? Yes, I want Baileys. Yeah, they're a little. I know I could have got them, chopped up, but I didn't. I want to do it myself. I want to do it myself. And whatever. But they smell good though, and they do have a medicinal purpose. That's the reason why they're in that kitty cat blend. Do you hear me? And also, this is an affordable care for ladies. You can do this twice a month whenever I do have the at-home kits. And I also, if you ever in Macon, Georgia, I do offer personal steams here. So you can go right over to Foxxiebox. First purchase 20% off. You can't beat that. You just can't beat that. Like, you know what I'm saying? To give yourself that time to connect with your feminine energy and all that good stuff. And I don't want to be hearing, I don't know about putting herbs down there. You let that man put his hands down there without washing his hands. Okay. So I'm just saying, you guys, if you want to try Yoni steam, guess what? This is one of my blends. I have actually more, and I do customized blends. So if I got the herbs, hey, blend is gonna get made. Do you hear me? And I do have that Yoni oil and all that good stuff. So do not hesitate. Do not be scared. If y'all have any questions, or just share to me what Yoni steaming means to you, because I know everybody have their own different thing about it. But for me, self-care, self-love, and self-awareness. And feel free, like I said, head over to Foxxiebox.com and let me get you started.